In the fast-evolving world of audio technology, Bluetooth speakers have become indispensable companions, delivering high-quality sound in a portable package. To assist you in selecting the right option, we have curated a list of the top 5 Bluetooth speakers for 2024. You can find more details by following the link provided in the description below. Number 5. Sony SRS-XB100. Introducing the Sony XB100, the latest in Sony's compact Bluetooth speaker lineup, succeeding the popular XB13 with a refined design and enhanced audio performance. This mini speaker maintains the beloved tin can look, but now boasts a grippier, cushioned exterior and a bass-rich sound signature. Its IP67 rating means it's weatherproof and dust-resistant, perfect for on-the-go use. Measuring just under 3 inches tall and weighing half a pound, it's incredibly portable, fitting easily in a bag or pocket. Despite its size, the XB100 delivers robust sound, though its charm lies more in portability than ultimate audio fidelity. The XB100 features easy pairing via Google Fast Pair for Android devices and a straightforward Bluetooth connection for iPhones. A portable speaker is no good if it's going to die halfway through your trip. Fortunately, you won't have to worry about that much with the XB100. Sony's latest speaker is rated for 16 hours of battery life. Number 4. Tribit Stormbox Micro 2. The Tribit Stormbox Micro 2 impresses with its audio quality, particularly at moderate volumes, making it a strong contender among portable speakers. At just 99.8mm, x 99.8mm, x 42.9mm, and 315 grams, the Stormbox Micro 2 is petite enough to fit in your pocket. Its rugged design with IP67 waterproofing also makes it ideal for outdoor use. Despite its tiny footprint, Tribit manages to deliver bold, powerful sound. The Tribit delivers superior value at its price point. With dynamic audio and practicality, the speaker's sound is well-rounded and dynamic up to about 70–80% volume, offering notable bass for its size. The Stormbox Micro 2 boasts a battery life of up to 12 hours, which holds up well in practical tests. Number 3. Soundcore Motion 100. Introducing the Anker Soundcore Motion 100, a compact powerhouse that delivers robust sound and impressive clarity, all while maintaining an affordable price tag. The design of the Anker Soundcore Motion 100 is fairly simple, but has touches of elegance. Most of the frame is a soft-touch rubberized material that's easy to grip. Thanks to its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can submerge the Soundcore Motion 100 to depths of up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. The Soundcore Motion 100, compact and lightweight at 2.5 by 7.3 by 2.2 inches and 1.2 pounds. Built with dual 10-watt speakers, the Motion 100 excels in delivering crisp audio, especially in the mid-range, making it ideal for podcasts and dialogue-heavy content. With a solid 12-hour battery life at 50% volume, it provides reliable performance for various audio needs. Number 2. JBL Flip 6. The JBL Flip 6 extends JBL's legacy of rugged, adventure-ready Bluetooth speakers. The Flip 6 introduces a key upgrade. Its IP67 rating enhances water and dust resistance, making it even more durable against harsh elements. Its design features durable plastic bumpers that absorb impacts but can collect scuffs over time. Weighing 544 grams, the Flip 6 is manageable for urban outings but may feel cumbersome on intense hikes. Its shape can be awkward in tight spaces, and it bounces on its strap. For crystal-clear sound that elevates both indoor gatherings and outdoor adventures, the JBL Flip 6 stands out. Its racetrack woofer and tweeter deliver rich bass and detailed treble, with passive radiators enhancing depth and clarity. Battery life is around 12 hours, sufficient for typical use, but requiring recharging for extended activities. Number 1. Sony SRS-XG300. The Sony XG300 is a powerhouse of a Bluetooth speaker, skillfully balancing high-end features with versatile performance. The cylindrical speaker looks quite sporty, in part because the waterproof fabric that wraps around the grille has a heathery appearance. The speaker is IP67 rated, ensuring it's dust and waterproof, making it suitable for poolside or beach outings. The XG300's robust build weighs over 6 pounds, but its retractable rubber handle and compact design make it manageable. It's versatile for both casual and serious listeners. Sound quality is stellar, with deep, precise bass and textured, well-placed vocals. Battery life is impressive at up to 25 hours, supported by quick charging that offers 70 minutes of playtime.